Let the music flow, let your body go and groove. Hey, what's up? You know what time it is. It's time to take back your fabulous. Yes, it is. And I'm Wendy Ida. Well, we are going to get started with a party, just me and you. It's a just because party, just because I care about you and your health. We're going to start with circuit training, 2 rounds, one with weights, one without weights. Then I want to answer an email question that someone asked. She wrote, Wendy, I admire your fitness journey and wondered if you had any advice on getting fit during menopause. It's so hard for me. I always had a flat stomach, and along comes menopause, and poof, there goes my nice body. Well, girlfriend, you don't have to worry about it. You can change those results. Stick around, and I will tell you how you can get better results just like I did. But first, the party. So let's get started. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, invite your friends, hit the notification button so you don't miss a thing. Here we go. Yeah. Hey. Come on now. Woo. Inhale. Ah, yeah. Take it to a grapevine. Oh, oh. A curl. Now curtsy. Ooh. Yeah. Down and lunge. Again. Other side. Here we go. Oh yeah. Curl it. Curtsy. Oh. Yeah. Oh. And down. And lunge. Down. And lunge. Yeah, other side. Yeah. Stop here. 1. Take it to the side. Now, squat 4 corners. Now, let's walk it out. Hold. Hold. Again. Hold. Hey, from the top. Come on. Curl it. Oh yeah. Feel it? Hold. Come on. Give it what you got. Now down. Other side, down. Yeah, you did this. Time to do it again. Second round. Grab your weights. We're gonna be a little more intentional now. Yeah. It's gonna change up just a little bit. So let's go. Woo! Ha! Ha! Girl. Now, curtsy. Let's curl it now. Okay, right here. Woo, yeah. Keep it curling. Yeah. Take it to the side. Come on up. Ha. Take it to the curtsy. Keep it up. Keep it going. Go lower. And out. Get ready, get ready. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2. Step. 1, 2, 3. We're going to walk it out. Go to the side. Hold. I'll pick my weights back up after this one. I got them. Here we go. Come on. Can you feel it? Woo! Huh. That's it. Ha! You did that. You did it. Take a big deep breath in. Woo. Exhale. Inhale. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo, that felt good. Can you feel it? Are you feeling the sweat? Well, I'm proud of you. If you hung in there, if you didn't, try it over and again, and you'll work up your endurance. Now, for the question that was asked. Let me cool off a bit. Let me wipe down. I need some H2O, so do you. Okay, so the question was, to sum it up, how do I get rid of this belly fat after menopause? Well, first, you're going to check with your doctor on your hormone levels. Estrogen especially tends to promote lean body mass. So if it's being lowered during menopause and you're being sedentary, well, that makes gaining fat much easier. Also, with all of the hormonal changes, it tends to redirect the body fat in different other weird places, and especially your tummy. The second thing is walk, dance, weight training, circuits, just like we just did. Oh my gosh, that's a big fat blaster and calorie burner. And it will help you with mood swings, depression, and anxiety. Those are big, big benefits. The third thing is, I believe in lifestyle modifications like acupuncture, acupressure, meditation, all of that. If you want more on that, hit me up on my website at wendyida.com, wendyida.com, and I can give you a personal assessment because everybody's body is different. Other than that, I want you to let the music flow and let your body go with the music daily, because that always puts me in a good mood, and I hope for you too. And if this was of value to you, don't hesitate to invite your friends, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you don't miss anything. Also, don't forget, Ask me a question and I might answer your question the next time we meet. I'm Wendy Ida. Stay blessed and keep moving.